Today we are going to learn about Ahrefs SEO analysis. So before we get started about Ahref SEO analysis, we have to add our project to our Ahref account. I have already signed up about Ahref account. So now they are asking me to add my project to start analysis. So once I click on that add project, they will send me to a particular page where they are asking me to add manually my project, where I have to manual ownership verification required. There is one project at a time I can add, and fully configured project during creation. And another part is automatic ownership verification from my existing Gmail account with Google Webmaster. So I am going to import. So I am giving my permission to Ahref account to view my Google Analytics data, even my Search Console data. Now they will choose which site needs to be tracked. So those I don't want to track, I am unchecking them. I am importing those 4 I want to track regular basis. See here they are providing few options like start first audit now, schedule weekly audits, even crawl external links. So I am making it on for all the websites. This I already unchecked, so I am not making any changes. Now I am importing the data to Ahref dashboard itself, so that I can start analysis my SEO performance of my particular sites. Now they have extract my data from my websites. See here the 4 websites which I am handling, how many backlinks or how many referring domains, or what is their organic traffic, organic keywords, everything is getting tracked. So this website, this makememarketer.com, this particular website I am currently handling. This too was free domain and made long back, so currently they are not working for me. So this is one website, and this website they have taken the both versions of my website, that is one non www and with www. This is very important feature of SEO, on page SEO, to know and to implement in your webmaster. Now they are giving a option called start crawl. Let us see what is that. But domain rating, what is that? We can see that 0.3 I got domain rating. Referring domains, there is 22 plus domain they are referring my website. I have built around 383 backlinks for my website. I have around 8 organic traffics per day, like 8 visits average. And there are 29 plus keyword I am performing on Google. So let us put that start crawl. So I can see that how many times my site has been crawled by Google bot or any search engine bots. I think this will be maybe So last crawled URL I can see here, which are the URL getting crawled, and it is getting changed here one by one. See, this is getting changed. If we closely monitor this, this particular URL will get changed another 2 minutes. See, this got changed. So this crawl report is from Ahref crawler bot, whatever you say, from that itself. Now I can see lot many features, lot many things. Oh, still it is crawling, so I have to wait for this. Once they finish that crawling part, I can see all the reports over here. How many links I have got, how many redirects I have got, what are the on-page changes I need to do, what are the social tags I need to improve, what are the duplicate content I have put on website, what are the localization issue I am facing, what are the performance metrics I need to focus on. Everything I can see. What are the images I need to optimize, what are the JavaScript needs to be removed or add, what are the CSS changes needs to be done in order to improve my UX and UI. So it is taking good amount of time already. 3 minutes 25 seconds it had taken to crawl my few pages. So let it get crawled. We can stop crawl, but we should not do that. Out of 263 URL, I have till now 75 URL got crawled, now 76. How many internal pages and external pages are getting crawled, that also can be seen here. Internal pages 73 and external pages 3. What is schedule? The number of URL discovered during the crawl and schedule for further crawling. So Ahref bot itself is deciding which are the URL they are discovering during the crawling and schedule that for further crawling. There are 32 URL they have discovered and they have kept it on hold to crawl it further in future time. So I'm clicking on all the issue. What are the issues they are still showing? Currently they are showing before finishing their job. There are 2 orphan pages. There are 5 pages which has been transformed from HTTP to HTTPS, which is called indexability issue. Link indexable issue. Under links indexable issue, there are orphan pages, there are redirected pages, there are HTTP pages that has internal links to HTTP pages has only do follow incoming internal links. There are non-indexable links issue, which is called orphan pages has no incoming internal links, that is 1 page. HTTP page has external link to HTTPS, that is 4 page. There are page has only 1 is for to follow incoming internal link 1 page. There are 301 redirect pages in my website. There are 3 pages where title tag is too long. There is 1 page, there is low word count. So these are my audit report which Ahref is providing after crawling my website, and I need to fix this issue one by one. why I need to fix this issue and how I have to do this fix this issue. Now I have to compare this particular data with my webmaster account. There may be few details which will be missing in webmaster that we cannot compare, but we can compare the exact details what they are providing here and fixing all the issue one by one in order to improve our SEO performance. So it will be too easy for us to fix the issue. So now which are the orphan pages needs to be fixed. We can see the URL here. See, there are 6 pages which are here very important information we are getting from this Ahref tool, where they are showing all the details about that particular URL, what it is performance, what are the content, what are the open graph tags or uh, uh, tracking code we have installed, what are the Twitter card, inlinks, outlinks and resources, everything we can see. Now everything is showing uh, perfectly fine. We can export the data here also from here. So if we want to have that particular data, we can download that data and keep it for our reference or to share with our SEO team members. Now let's see what they are providing while downloading. See, here are the details. This is how you have to audit your website pages. Here is the overview. URL type is HTML page or seed page. Internal is internal URL. Yes, it is the internal page. Full URL. What is the full URL? URL first found that they have not provided where they found that. Maybe for this only they have put that put this URL as an orphan page. But this page is linked from my course page itself. If I go to my website, I can see. Let it load. It's taking a little time to get load. So, let us analysis rest of the things. Still, it is getting crawled. What is my crawling status? My website health score is very good. It's showing 88, almost green. Health rows the internal link on your site don't have any errors. I don't have any error issue, any warning, any notices. There are few technical problems is present in my website, so that needs to be fixed. There are slow pages, there are open graph tags which is incomplete, there are HTTP and HTTPA that needs to be fixed. There are few pages where title tag is quite long. There are canonical issues for one pages or two pages. I don't know why they are showing 12 pages. There is one orphan page which I know, but their page they are not showing. HTTPS page has internal links to HTTP. I don't have HTTPS at all with my for my hosting from my hosting, or I have never implemented HTTPS for my website. But still, we can get lot of required or relevant information for website. They have sent a message which will show that what I have done in my account. I have downloaded a file that they have messaged me.
Once you're
Now to-do list. Now what I need to do, they have provided a video. Now crawl log, I can see from that crawl log, they have scrolled 232 to 33 page till now. That limit is 10,000. Once again, I am repeating. And out of 281 URL, they have already crawled 235 URL from last 13.54 seconds. 4 minutes, sorry. So they are showing what are the pages they have crawled, how they have crawled, what are the issue I am facing. So this page got timeout. This page they could not able to crawl. This page also, they find out they could not able to crawl. There are two pages they were unable to crawl, but the rest all pages are showing 200. What is 200? 200 means it is the status code, which is called 200 status code. That means page is working perfectly fine. So I can see how much each page take time to get load or get crawled. So this page microsecond, like 1048 microsecond it took for this page to load, and this page size is 13 KB, and there are 24 outlinks. Like I have outlinks in the sense internal links, but outside they have provided. Sometimes there may be external links as well, but mostly they will be for my website, as I know. Mostly they will be all internal links from that particular page. So it is almost getting finished. There is a my page rating for each pages. We can see what out of 238 pages, what page got which rating. Some pages got 100% rating, some 99. Okay, they are showing on home page itself. There is a page called HTTPS. If I go to that, now HTTPS is not. my page has been loaded. Now I can see if I go to and show you where is my internal pages, you can find it easily. See this page, all pages. Now if I go to that course page and go to that Twitter, yeah. Now if I go to that Twitter, yeah, my Twitter marketing page, it is all our internally linked page. So there is no issue in that way. So here again I can see all my SEO analysis over here. I have put the title tag, meta description, H1 tag is missing, H2 tag is present. So I can start inserting some H1 tag in my content. There are how many characters, how many words I have used, what are the English language I have used, open graph tags I have used, so that Google can understand better what are the pages have all about. So what are the things I have missing? Valid URL, valid image I have not missed. So Twitter card also present in links. What are the in links? How many to follow links? What are the canonical links are present? Outlinks. What is the outlinks resources? There are 10 images in my page. If I am using all attribute for all images, there are 3 images where I have used alt attribute, but rest same images there is no alt attribute. I can more find about CSS file where they have what are the changes is required in order to improve my UX and UI. See here all the pages, page rank, page rating or page rank. I can see what are the which pages I need to see. Here are under 60. See 59, 59, 54, 51, 51, 50, 50. So these pages I need to get improved in order to improve my SEO performance. So I can get all the data and check all the data one by one in order to improve my SEO performance. See if I click on that A51 link, then I can see this is not an indexable, so there are no HTML HTTP header tag, there is no performance, there is content is there, but there are a lot of things they have shown it is missing. Twitter card is showing something different in links. So there are few changes we need to see very closely and monitor if there are 301 redirect pages move permanently. So this is overall what we can see. Now we have got the segment option, all issues. So basically once we submit our website, or once we integrate our website with a Href tool, we can find all our SEO information which is not available in our webmaster account, that we can see in our Ahref account. So there are a lot of changes, lot of information, lot of improvement they are showing which needs to be improved. So I can go each one of my pages and improve segment wise or particular element wise. So it will be more easy for us or for SEO professional to fix all the issues. Here are all the issued pages I already found, so that I can fix all the issues one by one. By clicking any of the pages, I can see what are the page issues are present, and according to that I can compare with which pages got 100% page rating. With that I can, once I compare that particular page, I can find that what are the mistakes I have done in this page's optimization, and I have upload that particular scenario, right? So as of now, for this particular video, this is all, and in next video we will see how to fix all the issue and what are the issues needs to be done on priority basis, what are the issues needs to be checked with, compare with webmaster account, Google webmaster account, and then prioritize on the each issue and get it done. So that's all for this video, and in next video we will explore more about this AHREF webmaster account.